Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to achieve this style. Something quick to do on your lazy days when you just really don't feel like doing any hair. So here we go, check it out. Okay, so let's jump right in. I've already done the first flat twist because I wanted to gauge how big I wanted each section to be. Make sure to add any product of your choice for added moisture. Today I'll be using the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. I'll show you that later in the video. So I apply the product and comb through with my Denham brush. Okay, so slowing the video down and without splitting up the sections, I'm pinching off two pieces like beginning a regular twist. Instead of grabbing from each section like a cornrow, you're going to grab from just one side of the section, just one side. So as I'm pushing this finger through, I'm grabbing. Did you just see that? I just grabbed it. I'm pushing that finger through just to secure it. But always grab from one side. I'm right-handed, so that's usually the side that I'm gravitating towards, and vice versa. I know it seems confusing, but just twist like a regular twist and grab hair from one side as you go. When I'm grabbing with this other hand right here, I'm grabbing the hair from the other side, but I'm kind of pushing it towards the right side so I can grab it with that next push right there. See? I'm pushing my finger through, I'm grabbing the hair from the other side and bringing it towards the right side so I can grab it. You don't want to grab from both sides because it'll be harder to take it loose, which leads to tangles and just fuzziness. So just continue this process down the whole section until you get to the bottom where you'll continue to just do a regular twist. So I went ahead and completed the back sections. As you can see, I divided my hair into 3 different sections. The parts do not have to be straight, big, small, or in order because the final product is going to come out nice regardless. Jumping into this last section, I'm showing you right here that I'm parting my hair with my finger. As stated in the previous video, I don't like to part my hair with combs because it's harder to hide the parts when you take the twist loose. This is the only product that I use when doing my flat twist. It puts a lot of moisture into my hair, but it has a slight hold that my hair just won't blow up when I walk outside. Now I'm going to fast forward through this whole process because watching the video back, I realized you all couldn't see anything at all. I was showing you, taking my time, trying to show you how to do each individual twist, and you can't see nothing. So rookie mistake, I do apologize, but let's go ahead and flip to the end where I can show you. So I have a small area in the front of my hair that will not curl at all. Look at that, horrible. And until I cut it off, which I probably won't no time soon until it grows out, I use a roller. It is only for that front area in the front of my head, maybe like an inch of hair. I'm not about to cut that. That tiny roller will help that blend in with the rest of my curls. So the 2 twists next to the part I'll be making, I like to pin those down so it won't be all frizzy and fluffy at my part and at my roots. Now, I know I stated before that I like to part my hair with my fingers, but right here is where my part will reside. So I do like a clean part with the comb. That is the only time I will be using the comb. So again, I moisturize my hair with the product and start the twist again. Hopefully right here you can see it more clear, but I am separating into 2 sections. I'm using that finger to pull the other hair to the right side. I'm pushing my finger through there, which grabs hair. So it's kind of like the same motion of doing a regular twist, but you're grabbing hair. Again, hopefully most people know how to cornrow this will be easier. If you don't know how to cornrow, this will be pretty hard. I'm twisting all of the flat twists in the same direction, and I'm pointing because I'm going to show you a different direction with the next one, because I like where my part is. I want the twist to go in separate ways. But just continue to go down this section as I stated before, and I will keep it at this pace so you can see. Hopefully it's clear. So it's the next morning. I'll remove the roller and the hairpins, and I'll grab some coconut oil. Never take down your twist with dry hands, ever. Always have some kind of oil or moisture on your hands. It will eliminate frizz and tangles, honestly. So when taking down your twist, the key is to just take your time. I like the twist in the opposite direction. If it gets tangled, just slowly untangle it. Look at that definition right there. So I like to just take each section and just slowly pull it apart. If you pull too hard or move too fast, you'll just frizz up your hair. This right here is my favorite part of the whole style. I love my hair to be big. The bigger, the better. Go through picking at the roots. Try not to go through the twist to eliminate frizz. So I'm going to just keep picking out until it gets as big as I like it. So a little trick here. You see that hair hanging in my face? I can't stand it. So I'm going to lift up my hair and I'm going to pin it back. Look, long hair problems. I'm going to pin it back so when I let it go, it'll go into bangs. That way I won't go through the day with it just going all in my eyes and stuff. Yeah, I was feeling myself. But here's the finished look. The definition came out good, the shine, everything. Thank you so much for watching and tune in for the next video.